How to activate Citizens Bank of Edmond debit card. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Citizens Bank of Edmond debit card. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's begin. So first we'll head over to the Citizens Bank of Edmond FAQ section where we can find how you can activate the card. So we'll see how many ways we can do so. So here you can see how do I activate my card right here. So if you tap on this, you will see under card management, select the card that needs to be activated and tap to activate. So that means that you can simply log in into your My Citizens account, tap on login, and log in into your account first. And after you log in on your homepage, you can select card management and then select your card and then simply tap on activate. Then your card will get activated. The other way is by simply calling this number right here. So call this number and follow the instructions given to activate your card. And it's that simple. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.